Let's make a knitted I-cord holiday wreath. Start off by knitting 3 lengths of an I-cord. For detailed instructions on how to knit I-cord, see our I-cord tutorial linked below. Create 3 lengths of I-cord. You can use any size yarn so long as you have 2 matching double-pointed needles to fit the size of your yarn. The length can really be any length, but you want it to be a comfortable length to make a circle. Once you have your 3 cords ready, connect the tails with a simple overhand knot and braid them together. Secure the ends with another overhand knot and form your circle. Weave in your tails and add a little bow to complete the look. I've secured this bow with just a few stitches using some matching red sewing thread. And voila, your festive I-cord knitted wreath is complete. This is a great project for children in grades 5 and up. 5th graders will love working with double-pointed needles to create this simple holiday craft. Happy holidays!